Hey, hi there. Let's see how to use a speak screen on iPhone. So for that, just go to settings. Just try to find accessibility. So you can just tap on it. And now try to find a spoken content. So here is spoken content, just tap on it. And now just try to turn on a speak selection. And also you can turn on a speaker screen as well. And now you just try to turn on a speech controller. So currently it's turned off, just make it turn on. And also you can make it turn on show controller. And now just go to back, and now you just try to turn on highlight content as well. So just highlight content, and now you have a 3 options with the words. If you want the words, you can select sentence. You can select as a words and sentences as well. And underline and background color, so whatever you want you can select. And now you just go to back, and now just go to mail, just tap on it and just try to open any mail. So for example, I open this Apple TV and just select the content. So let's I will select this one. And if you just expand this speech content, you can just try to play.
Offer ending soon. Get Apple TV Plus free for 3 months now. Apple
And if
TV
you try
was on
to
the
pause, you
Apple
can
TV
go
app,
for
Apple
pause as well. So guys, this way you can use a speaker screen on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.